Assalamu alaikum, dear listener. Today, in the segment of engineering and technology, our topic is heating, ventilating, and air conditioning. And in that segment, our main concern is chillers. What are they? What are their components? What is their function? And what are their types? So, today I will explain mainly the components of chillers, then types of chillers, then the system of chillers, chilled water system. So chiller have main 4 to 5 components: evaporators, condenser, third one compressor, then exhaust fan. This complete have a one chiller. So now I will tell you the HVAC chillers. Types of HVAC chillers. Main there are two types: vapor compression chillers and vapor absorption chillers. In vapor compression, there are reciprocating, there are screw, there are scroll, there are centrifugal. And on the other side, in vapor absorption type, there is direct and indirect fired, there is single stage, there is double stage, and there is multi stage. Now I will tell you the main. There are two types of chilled water system. One is air cooled chilled water system and other is water cooled chilled water system. So in first one I will tell you what are the components of air cooled chilled water system. In this one there is a compressor, there is a pressure gauge, condenser, shut off valve, filter dryer, expansion valve, evaporator, water in and water out, drain, and high or low pressure protector, and the last one condenser fan. These are the components of air cooled chilled water system. As you can see in this picture, this is showing the complete system of the air cooled chilled water system. It is the complete sample. You can see there is a chiller, there is a chilled water return line, there is the chilled water supply line, there is the AHU, air handling unit, fan coil unit, uh, chilled water pump, air separator, makeup line, and chiller. This is the complete sample of air cooled chilled water system. Now I will explain you the water cooled chiller. So it have same components but difference is 3 points. It have extra condensate pump and there is a cooling tower and liquid mirror. In air cooled there is a condenser fan, in water cooled there is no condenser fan. Here is cooling tower, liquid mirror and condensate pump. As you can see in this picture, this is showing the complete sample of water cooled chilled water system. In this system it have chiller, there is a chilled water pumps and condensate pump, cooling tower, fan coil unit, air handling unit and expansion tank. This is the water cooled chiller system sample. So today our segment is completed. I hope it will be helpful for you. So I request please subscribe my YouTube channel Habibur Rahman, and goodbye, Allah Hafiz.